Quailridge 39CBDL. It's unit number 12187 and its MSRP is only about $62,000. I'll tell you all about it. It's clay colored with white corners and white trim and white lineals. It's got a house type rear entry door, and I think we should probably go on in and take a look around. Looking over here, you've got where this little circle is where an outside light goes, which is included. And then by the patio, 6-foot vinyl patio door, you also have another entry light. So let's go on in and have a look around. This has a lot of nice features in it, not the least of which is a fireplace and a sectional sofa. If you come over here, this would be the place for you to fill out your credit app. We got the furnace hooked up. Be nice and toasty in here. Sleeper sofa. You've got a kick out footstool on this side. There's the fireplace, which is functional. Throws out heat if you want it to. Right now I've simply got it being a nice little decoration. There is PVC flooring. It looks like ceramic tile throughout the entire main floor. Everything in them stays in them. And there's carpet in the steps, the master bedroom, and the loft area only. Everything in them stays in them. All the furnishings are included. Just need a 50 amp electrical service and hook them up to the sewer, and away you go. Some of the cabinets here. A lot of nice cabinets in this model. A lot of adjustable shelving. See the adjustable shelving in there. Oops. There's storage under the seats. You got a stainless steel 30-inch range. Stainless steel 30-inch convection microwave. 18.5 cubic foot stainless fridge. Lots more cabinets in here. There's the outside lights. All drawers feature the ball bearing full extension drawer guides. Here's some more cabinetry for you. Date of manufacturer and the serial number 12187. You got a stainless steel faucet, stainless steel sink, and a pull-out sprayer. Forest River is definitely in the 20th century. There's outlets included with USB charging jacks. That 5-burner range is better than the one I have at home. Again, you're looking at the linoleum throughout the entire main floor. We just got that carpet in there to wipe your feet on. There's storage under the steps. Pretty good storage under there. This has the corner shower, neo-angle shower, so that allows for an extra cabinet in the bathroom. If this had the tub shower surround, you would definitely lose this cabinet. I think this cabinet's important for linens and towels and such. There's a low threshold, so it's not hard to step in the shower. It's about a 4-inch threshold down there. There's the shower. Functional. Window. You have a medicine cabinet with shelving for all your medicine needs. DFI outlet. Sink and vanity. porcelain house type toilet. Heading into the hallway, here's one of the cool features that this one has. 56,000 BTU furnace. So if you're in a colder climate, the 56,000 BTU furnace will really shine for you. In addition, you have that electric fireplace up front that pretty much will heat the whole place by itself. It has a queen bed with the Dreamscape Serta mattress. Always comfortable. See the little sheep? It's a queen. The door has a built-in blind, so we can close off the outside world or look out at the outside world. Because of COVID, we're short some nightstands, but by the time you buy this, we'll have a nightstand for you. There's the lamp. And again, the drawers have the ball bearing full extension drawer guides. So you can extend them out all the way and load them up with goodies. Behind the mirror here will be the breaker panel. That's where the circuit breakers are located. And of course, they're all clearly marked as to what they're for. I'll show you inside of the closet. There's two of these. It's called the his and hers wardrobe. We jokingly refer to them as hers and hers. But there's a closet rod, plenty of room for hanging things. Mini blinds on every window that opens and closes. Okay, I guess we should go look at the loft, since that's all we have left to see. I did this one in lineal instead of fisheye. I know a lot of people will appreciate that, but you don't get as wide of a view, and it's hard to get a good film job going on in one of these trailers. Everybody says you move too fast, or the fisheye makes me dizzy. Well, watch the ones that are lineal then. Okay, heading on up to the loft. It's a nice big loft. Probably one of the biggest ones we have to offer. Covers about 2/3 of the trailer. There's a small entertainment center with a couple drawers. There's an auxiliary 5,000 BTU air conditioner to keep people cool up here in the summertime. There's no problem with heat rising, so you never have to worry about being warm up here. The 56,000 BTU will more than take care of that. And then overlooking the front room here. Okay, I'm going to head back down the stairs. The loft area is about 4 foot tall at the peak. This is another, what you call a flat floor loft. There's no step down into the master bedroom, which is what a lot of people are looking for. They don't want to trip and fall. As they age, your eyesight goes, your knees go. There's no step down. Solid core doors. This was the butter rum cabinetry, which is actually pretty good looking cabinet. One of our more popular colors. Dining area. Front room. This is the 39CBDL.